Francis, the first Latin American Pope, dies at age 88. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV breaking news report, and we'll be right back with the full details. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Pope Francis, the first Latin American leader of the Roman Catholic Church, has died on Easter Monday at age 88. The Vatican's announcement of his death came just a day after he appeared in a wheelchair at St. Peter's Square to wish thousands of worshippers gathered there a happy Easter. Pope Francis was discharged from the hospital last month after 5 weeks of treatment for an infection that led to double pneumonia. Catholics around the world have begun mourning his death, and crowds of well-wishers have begun arriving at the Vatican. Among those who have paid tribute to him is Italy's Prime Minister, who praised him as a great man and said that he had the privilege of enjoying his friendship and advice and teachings. King Charles, who met the Pope privately earlier this month during his state visit to Italy, said in a statement that he was deeply saddened to hear of the Pope's death. His Holiness will be remembered for his compassion, his concern for unity of the Church, and for his tireless commitment to the common causes of all people of faith and to those of goodwill who work for the benefit of others. The news of the Pope's death was announced by the Vatican in a statement. This morning at around 7:35 local time, the Bishop of Rome, Pope Francis, returned to the home of the Father. Cardinal Kevin Farrell said in a statement published by the Vatican, "He taught us to live the values of gospel with fidelity, courage, and universal love, especially in favor of the poorest and the marginalized," he continued. The acting head of the Church of England, Archbishop of York, described him as a holy man of God who was also very human. Pope Francis was last seen yesterday in his wheelchair waving from the balcony of St. Peter's to cheering crowds. Popular international Jamaican recording artist Shaggy also paid tribute to the Pope. In a post on his social media account, he wrote, "Walk good, Pope Francis." Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.